Interesting what you were talking about. People usually shudder when they hear dealing with the IRS, not only individuals but companies as well, and you deal with both. You help both, right?
Absolutely.
Tell me a little bit about what happens when a company gets in trouble with the IRS. What does the IRS do?
Well, there's a progression of actions. I mean, when you don't pay your taxes, you immediately start to incur penalties and interest, and those can snowball and quite rapidly turn a relatively small liability into a large one. The IRS will issue a notice and demand for payment. It gives you 10 days to pay it off in full. If you don't, they're within their rights to file a notice of federal tax lien. And that is a public record. It's a notice to the world saying this particular taxpayer didn't pay his or her taxes, and that can also hurt someone's credit or the credit of a business.
Right.
At some point after that, they may assign a revenue officer, somebody local who will probably come show up at your business or knock on your door and really start beginning the collection process, usually giving you a bunch of deadlines and demands. They can send an intent to levy notice. If the taxes remain unpaid, they can start freezing your bank accounts. They can garnish wages. If you are a business that has accounts receivable, they can levy those receivables, meaning, let's just say, Doug, that I have a contracting business, I did a project for you, and you owe me $20,000.
Right.
The IRS can send you a notice saying, hey, Stephen Galgosi didn't pay his taxes. Whatever you owe him, you are now ordered to pay directly to the IRS. This is a devastating thing for a business.
Certainly.
Not only, and they do this often to all of your accounts receivables at once. So not only is your cash flow completely choked off, you're probably going to be losing customers because
I mean, it could put them right out of business.
Yeah.